Good morning, everybody. Mike Niemiec back here again on this Thursday, January 19th. We are kind of with the same topics as we had yesterday and as we started out this week. We are at the top end of trading ranges in the wheat, corn, and soybeans. We are kind of testing them in the overnight session, but backing off a little bit in the wheat and in the beans. We got beans down around 3 cents, spreads old crop, new crop losing. We've got the wheat market down around 2 cents, corn market down a penny. Meal market down around $2.50, and the old crop unchanged, and the new crop and soybean oil pretty much near the unchanged level. So once again, we're at the top end of ranges, and we are continuing to watch what's going on in Argentina as far as a topic by the trade. There was a little bit of a hint that maybe there could be a little bit more beneficial weather as we work our way into February. So I'll have to continue to monitor that, and that'll be of importance. And then number two, I still think that as we were talking about yesterday, this money flow that continues to come into the marketplace, particularly for the corn, beans, and soybean meal, was evident against yesterday. And so going forward in here, we find a little slippage of demand or a little bit of a better scenario for the Argentinian weather. Could put the trade that has been buying the market here of late, that being the specs, in a little bit of a test near the top end of these trading ranges. And so once again yesterday, we saw a big jump in the open interest in the corn of 10,000 contracts, up 28,000 contracts in the soybeans, up around 11,000 in the soy meal, up 3,000 in the soybean oil. Wheat was down yesterday, 5,200 here in Chicago. But nonetheless, what we are seeing, however, is that the player sheets are showing that the trade is adding to their net long positions in the oilseeds and covering their positions in the corn and in the wheat. We still have them short in the neighborhood of around 79,000 contracts of soft red winter wheat, 64,000 contracts of corn. Now a sizable net long, 142,000 in the soybeans. And they're kind of status quo now in the soybean oil, 74,000. But the meal market that has been on a rally of late is trying to catch up to the oil at this point in time, and we now have them long in the neighborhood of around 46,000. So anyway, top end of the trading ranges. Maybe perhaps another day of a little bit of consolidation, see if we don't want to take out those trading ranges on the top end. Keep an eye on the Argentinian weather. Later on this morning, we'll get our weekly ethanol stats coming on out. Tomorrow, weekly export sales will be coming on out. That's been delayed a day because of Monday's holiday. And all in all, we're still just going to continue, like I say, see if this top end of the trading range holds and maybe see a little bit of a pullback in today's session. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.